Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having a great day today. So I am just getting back from the grocery store. Not only did I pick up some extra little things here and there, but I decided to pick up some floral arrangements because, as you guys know, I really love flowers. I'm not gonna say the way that I'm fixing the florals right now is how you're supposed to do it. I just thought of something and I'm trying it out and see how that works out for me. Not only that, once I get done with the floral arrangement, I'm gonna go ahead and clean my kitchen up. Once I get my kitchen clean, I'm going to start the prep work because I want to get some barbecue done. And I just got a new grill. I'm really excited. It's nothing major, it's like a little small grill that I picked up from Home Depot. But I'm gonna be doing some barbecue today, so you guys are gonna get to see that. But for right now, enjoy the floral arrangements.
Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there.
All right, you guys, here is a quick look at what the floral arrangements look like. It's been about a week and a half and the florals actually lasted for a whole week. So I think using the ice really did help overall and helping me keep it a little bit longer. But now that I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and move to washing the dishes. I'm not going to try to wash and clean everything. I just want to get the sink cleaned out enough for me to go ahead and start prepping like all the meat to be seasoned and put into the fridge. That way it can go on to the grill.
Always alone.
So now that I'm done with the kitchen, I'm going to go ahead and start with the prep. I'm not going to do a full detailed video on this. I'll link a video down below. You guys already know when it comes to my meat, I'm cleaning it with a little bit of vinegar, some lemon, and I'm cutting it, doing all of that and everything else with it. And then I'm going to season it. Again, I'll post a video in the description box down below so you can see. While I was seasoning the meat, I did have some seasoning that dropped into the tray and I'm cleaning that now. Recently, especially now that the house is coming together, I am cooking and cleaning behind myself quite quickly. So that way by the end of the night, I don't leave dishes in the sink. I have been doing that, but I'm trying to kind of get a hold of that. So that way when I wake up in the morning, the house is clean and I really don't have much to do because there's enough things in the house that I have that I don't need to worry about the kitchen.
Always be there. Always alone. You will always be there.
But now that I'm done seasoning everything, I'm going to go ahead and move towards the sink. That way I can go ahead and finish washing everything. That includes everything in the sink, the countertop, and basically I'm doing a quick soft wash, as you want to call it. And then I'm going to put everything into the dishwasher. That way the dishwasher can run. I use my dishwasher maybe once a week, and that's just to kind of clean up because I really use it to store dishes, and then sometimes water will accumulate at the bottom. So then once a week I'll just run it, just like a cleaning cycle of it. but that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing. Once I am done with the dishes and putting things in the dishwasher, I'm going to go ahead and move on to cleaning the countertop and the stovetop and of course the wall. It's not really dirty, it's just a little bit of seasoning, and then I'm going to vacuum, of course, just trying to keep the house again really clean. That way once the food is done, there isn't going to be so much to be done in the room.
You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone. You will always be there. Always alone.
About to barbecue. You guys, this is what I really love. Oh my gosh, like I can't get over the view. It's so pretty. All right, you guys, corn, chicken, the ribs, the sausage, my flowers. I'm about to eat.
Are these real?
And go outside.
Are these actually real? This is real. We got more.
You guys, the whole neighborhood is like out here now. Everybody. You hear that child with his Christmas? Christmas in July. Yeah, hold on. Oh my goodness. Woo! It's a whole fireworks show. Oh! Woo! Happy Juneteenth!
Merry Christmas! Jolly, holly, holly, holly. Every day's my day. Jolly, holly, holly.
Oh my gosh.
The whole neighborhood are lighting fireworks.
Yep.
This was right. The people are going to blow this whole plane.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know what it does. I don't know what it does. What does it do?
That wasn't bad. Oh my gosh, Ron. Why do you have my camera? It's 4th of July. I don't even have being extra greedy. So good. You got some corn? You want corn?
No. Wait, can I record you, Mommy?
I don't even know why I took up the camera. Oh my gosh, this got vegetables in it.
They like it. Everyone like it.
Healthy and nutritious.
No! But there's some fireworks!
Ghetto. No, I say it perfectly. Ra-da-da-da, I'm in the ghetto. I told you I do it perfectly.
Here and now, I promise to love faithfully. All right, you guys. Bati Lioretta. Okay, you guys, it's pretty late. Let me just talk to y'all real quick. It's getting late. Why you gotta be here? I figure since I'm already up, I might as well do something. So I decided to paint my fireplace, y'all. Yeah, ignore the mess right there. I'm gonna do my best sometime this week to clean it up. I wanna get all, like, those 3 boxes are like clothes, perfume, jewelry, like a lot of things that I've cleaned out. I still have to finish cleaning my closet. That's not done either. I'm gonna paint the fireplace and then I'll show you guys what it looks like in the morning. This is gonna be the first coat, and then I'll do a second coat. So what I like to do is do the first coat, and once the first coat is on, sand it really good. And that way it's nice and smooth from that the wood. And then I do a second coat, and then I do a third coat. Then it's just like super, super gorgeous. Hold on, let me wait for my baby to go down the stairs. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. This is pretty much how I spend some of my nights. All right, anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get this done and see how that pans out, y'all. Let me see what I can do. Really quickly, I'm wearing a dress. I know you're thinking to yourself, Nadia, like, what's the big deal? Well, keep in mind that, yes, I am on YouTube, but I'm also in my house and I'm super comfortable. And that basically means that there's going to be some occasions where I do wear a dress. I don't know why it's such a big deal when I like paint and I wear a dress. I put up wallpaper and I wear a dress. I do like whatever and I wear a dress. I don't be thinking to myself, I need to look like a construction worker in my own house while I work. Like, I already have this dress on. I'm gonna trash it because I've had it for a long time and it's looking really crazy anyway. So I'm wearing it. I'm ashy. I'm a whole lot of things. We got it. I'm in my house, okay? You don't have to point out the obvious. But anyway, let me go ahead and get started.
Leave your shirt on the floor. There's no reason to get up. There's a print on your cheek from my wrinkly pillow. There's a smell from the view out the window. Your lipstick's a glint from your toothpaste. Spend time counting marks on your fingers. Let's lay here and waste our time. I'm gonna love you like crazy. Waste our time. Waste that time. Let's lay here and waste that time. I'm gonna love you like crazy. Waste that time. Let's lay here and waste that time. Breakfast in bed, pour the coffee and kiss me. We are both skipping work. Oh, there's a bird singing loud in the palm trees on the beach, laying next to your building, and the ocean is singing even louder. Let's lay here and waste that time. I'm gonna love you like crazy.